Hi there people, once again to one of my rooted videos. Today I'm not using the screen recorder app just like I did in the earlier videos because today my phone will reboot in this process because for this reason my screen recorder app will stop working, and so I'm using this camera for doing this. So today in this video I will cover up the ways how to change the appearance of this status bar. Like you can change the icon color, you can change everything that's being shown in the status bar. Like you can change the style of this data signal part, you can change the appearance of the time, you can change the appearance of the battery symbol, you can change whatever you want. As you know, to get all these things you need root access. So let's start. I will split this video into two. In one video I will tell you guys how to install Xposed Installer, for which it will create an environment to produce such effects. Second, in the next video I will show you how to use the gravity box, which is the main thing to do all these changes. So let's create the interface or the environment for doing all these things. So let's start. First of all, you need to download two APK files. One of the Xposed installer, which will let you to install Gravity Box. So first of all, in the link in the description below, I have given you the modded. It's not the modded. I have given you the APK file of Xposed installer. Okay, so download it kindly from there, or else you can easily search through Google and get the link. So first of all, I have already downloaded the APK file of Xposed. So drag to the download place. Mine is here. So first of all, yep. So this will look like this. Press install. If your unknown sources is not active, take that button in the security option in the settings. Okay, since this file is very low, like it has only 770.28 KB, so it's very less. So for this reason it took a very less amount of time to install. So let's start. As you can see, Xposed is installed. This mobile is a Micromax Canvas A63 fan, so you can try on various devices. This thing runs on 4.2.2 Jelly Bean. For this reason, these things, like as you can see from here, when I switch to the volume button, it only shows the phone volume. It doesn't show the media volume and also the alarm volume. So whenever I put this also, there is only the power button, reboot button and the airplane mode. Today I will show you how to make advanced options here as well. So first of all, go to Xposed. As you can see from clearly written here, the latest version of Xposed is currently not active. Did you install the framework and reboot? No, we didn't, because we clearly installed the app. So let's start. First of all, I want to make it clear that before doing this, please follow my steps correctly, because Xposed installer, although it's a very less amount of app, it takes very less amount of space, like 770 KB or something. So don't underestimate this app. This app is very powerful. So if you don't follow the current steps, you will break your phone, you will stop break your phone, it may go into boot loop, then you won't be able to recover your phone unless and until you know how to flash a stock ROM. So first of all, for all these things, you just follow all my steps correctly. Okay, so first of all, click framework. As I have said, read this. As I have said already, if you never heard about soft break and boot loop before, or if you don't know how to recover from such a situation, do not install Xposed. So it's very highly recommended to people who are afraid of this dialog box. Please don't install Xposed. If you still want to take the risk, please follow my steps correctly, or else your phone will just be bricked and you can't do. And I'm not at all responsible for this thing. I'm clearly mentioning before the video, I'm not at all responsible. So let's start. As you can see, this is not active. Let's click on install. as I have said, it needs root access, so let's give access to it. So it's installing the thing. So for this thing, my phone will now reboot. So now you all guys know why I'm not using the screen recorder option. So let it reboot, click on OK. Your phone will be turned off and it will be rebooted. Don't panic because it will just reboot your phone. As you can see, my phone has rebooted. Now just leave the phone where it is, let it reboot successfully. I'm showing each and every step properly so that you can follow it. I'm not skipping any portion. And I'm 100% sure that you will be able to install Xposed after this. Okay, once done, as you can see, the phone has rebooted successfully. If it would have brick looped, it have soft bricked or boot looped, then my phone wouldn't have opened. It should have continuously rebooted by itself. But my phone is now active. Everything is fine. Everything is in place. So let's start. First of all, as our motive was to install Xposed Installer. Okay, it's here. Wait a sec. Yep. The red message is not showing anymore. Click on framework. As you can see, they are active now. They were not active before the reboot, so they are both active now. So our Xposed is properly installed now. Okay. So let us now see how to install Gravity Box, which is the main thing here. Xposed has just created an interface to tweak these things. So as far as by now, we have just created an environment. So for this thing, again, you can get the link in the description here, or it's a better way to give not the link here. You can just go to Xposed here. You can go from here to download. Okay, wait a sec. I'm just turning on my net connection. Please hold on a sec. Yeah, I've turned on my net. My Wi-Fi is working right now. So wait a sec. I think King Root has started. Sorry for this. Yeah. So go to Xposed again. Oh shit. Not. Okay. Let's go to Xposed here. So as you can see, it's just loading itself. Let it load. This sign will now load here. Okay. Be patient. Go to download. Now just follow the proper steps here. So as I'm running a 4.2.2 Jelly Bean, I just need a Gravity Box of Jelly Bean. Okay. So those who are running KitKat, they will require Gravity Box of KitKat. Those who are running Lollipop, they will require a Gravity Box of Lollipop, and so on. So just properly download all the files. So let me check if this Wi-Fi is not working or not. I have to check the Wi-Fi again. So yeah, it's working again. Took a time to load, but it's okay. So as you can see, as I have said, Xposed have so many type of modules, so many. So just don't play around with this. Just do all the things which you need only. Okay. So wait a sec. uh, let's go to here to gravity box. Just hold on for a sec, set this thing. As you can see here, JB means jelly bean, KK means Kit Kat, lollipop, marshmallow. So mine is jelly bean. Let's head on to jelly bean. As you can see, description, version. The latest is this one is a stable version. 30th April was its last release. So let's download this thing. Download is being waited, and it's downloading. So the download is done. It'll automatically get installed. It's installing. Okay, it's done. Press on done. Now this will show up that this is not active. So my gravity box has been successfully downloaded. Let's show you here. Gravity box is here, but if you click on this right now, it will not start up. See, it will not start up. You just wait for response and then just quit. Okay, it will not respond right now, so don't panic. Listen, okay, it's just that Xposed module is not active right now. You have to give permission to Xposed, like just see this one. Modules, head on to modules, and there should be a tiny square box here. Just give access by clicking here. As you can see, just waiting for response. Lag and quit. Okay, so don't press here. Wait a sec. Don't press here, just press on the small tick box here. Okay, Xposed module list was updated. Changes will make after reboot. So my phone needs to get rebooted. Okay, so for this thing I have to reboot my device again. Wait a sec. So my gravity box is not active right now. I have to reboot my phone for this. So kindly reboot your phone like you do with the help of your phone. My option is here, reboot. My device will now get rebooted. Wait for some time. So after reboot, I will show you that the gravity box is properly working, my Xposed module is properly working, and I will show you how to make the various appearance change in my next video. As I've said in the video earlier, this video is for activating Xposed module. Without activating Xposed module with only installing gravity box won't do this thing. You have to get Xposed installer installed as well as gravity box. So my phone is successfully rebooted. Okay, so let's turn on the Wi-Fi. We don't need it anymore. As you can see, there are various other options here. This is the ultimate thing of gravity box. You can do ultimate number of things here, many number of things here. This is the beauty of gravity box. So let's quiz this thing. Turn off my Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's head on over to the reboot. Was just needed to get these things done. Okay, so head on to gravity box. Now it will work properly. Yep, as you can see, this thing is also very precautious. Be cautious about this thing. Read it. Okay, these things are just meant for stock ROMs. Don't use in custom ROMs like Lineage OS, like CyanogenMod or Resurrection Remix or other custom ROMs, because if you do this type of things, you know this in Lineage OS, the status bar things can be changed in the custom ROM itself. So you don't need gravity box for this type of things. So don't use gravity box in custom ROMs. Okay, it's just meant for stock ROM, because in stock ROMs we don't have the ability to change the appearance of the status bar as well. Okay, so press on OK. I got it. So here are the various options. So I will just show you these things in my next video. Hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will meet you in the next video. Thank you guys. If you are not yet subscribed to my video channel, please subscribe to my video channel